Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I am so excited to have you here today. I have a new box to the channel, which is Simply Earth, and I can't wait to get in here. This is essential oils, and I love essential oils. I've talked about them in the past on the channel, and I use them throughout my home. I diffuse them, I make roller balls of them. There are so many applications for essential oils. And what I love about this box, and we'll get into, is they don't just send you essential oils. I'm like, okay, here they are. Good luck to you. You get essential oils and recipes and things to make those recipes with. So we'll get into all that in a minute, but let me tell you a little bit about the box first. It is $39 a month, but you receive $150 worth of product. And with your first subscription, you receive the bonus box, which is what this blue box is. And I believe that my November box will be in here. And the bonus box is full of goodies to get you started, things that you need to have on hand to make the recipes. We'll get in there in a second. I've made some notes because I don't want to forget one thing to tell you guys. So let me tell you that. The recipes are aromatherapist certified. The oils are 100% pure essential oils. And this company gives 13% of their profit back to charities to fight human trafficking, which is fantastic. I am so glad that Simply Earth reached out. I cannot wait to get in here. And I thought what I'll do today is I'll unbox it all, and then I'm going to have my granddaughters come over. The older ones are old enough to help me make the recipes. And then I'll come back on in another video and actually show you some of the recipes that we've made. I will put the link they've given me below, and if you use that link and go to the site, if you have any interest in signing up, I also have a code, which is KathrinFree. And I'll put that below also. And if when you sign up, you use that code, you will get a $40 gift card that you can apply towards your future purchase, which could be next month's box if you wanted to. Or they have a great shop. You can just go into the shop and purchase things and apply the card toward that. With each month's box, you will get 4 essential oils, 6 recipe cards, and goodies that you need to do those recipes. So each box will have a new theme, and the October box sold out. So they're doing really good over there. So this is the box, and let's just go ahead and open this up. I cut it so it would be easier for us to get into. And when I open it, I have a little envelope that says, enjoy your box. I have this box, which I suspect is the November box. And this box is full of goodies. I can't wait to see what all of our goodies are. Let's see what these cards say. Hi there. I always hope that when I do a new box, I'll remember to tell you guys everything you need to know. But if by chance I have forgotten anything, just let me know below if you have any questions. So there's a lot of different information on these cards, but what I'm going to focus on right now is the big bonus box value, what's included. And it tells us what's going to be in this box and that it's an over $40 value. So let's get in here and see what we've got in our bonus box. Reaching in, I have a huge 12 fluid ounce Simply Earth coconut oil. So that'll help us make good things. And we also have the Simply Earth coconut oil, 100% carrier oil, and 4 ounces of that, and 4 ounces of almond oil. And this will be great if we make like bath oils or roller balls. Anytime you use an essential oil, as a rule, you want to dilute it, and you dilute it with a carrier oil. So that's what these are going to be for. And we received some beeswax, 100% pure, sulfate-free, and natural care. So we could make candles with this or lip balms. We'll have to wait and see. I can't wait to get into the recipes. And we also received, and I just took them out of the box so I'd know how many there were, 6 roller balls and 6 5 ml bottles. And I think it is pretty interesting that Simply Earth has said that the roller balls is a $10 value and the 5 ml bottles is $8, because you would be hard pressed to find 6, I mean, unless you bought an enormous quantity, to find 6 roller balls for $10. I never could. Oh, wow. And it's even the metal roller, which is, it makes them more, I'm telling you guys, I have done essential oils before, so I am familiar with a lot of this, and these are great prices. So that is it for the bonus box. Let's dig right into the November box, which is why we're here. And this is the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. And this is the box that you receive month after month for $39. And I just thought it was so cute. On the front of it, it says, hand-packed by Cheryl. And look how cute the picture is. That cracks me up. So let's go ahead and get in here. And this is what we have. So we have our paperwork, our recipe cards, our essential oils, and products to make our essential oils with. So let's find out what we've got. Our 4 oils this month are Tranquility, which it says brings a sense of tranquility to your mind with a calming blend of essential oils, and it has spikenard, lemon, patchouli, I love patchouli, sweet orange, and ylang ylang. I also love ylang ylang. Oh, it smells fantastic. I love that scent. I'm going to just want to diffuse that. At the bottom it says, and I'm going to tell you this because I think this is fantastic. At the bottom it says, caution, do not use undiluted on the skin. Possible skin sensitivity. Keep out of reach of children. Consult a doctor if pregnant or under a physician's care. And then they've also put over here a drop on it that says child safe 2+. So they're letting us know at what point you can use this on children, which is fantastic. So it's the whole check with your doctor if you're pregnant, and 2+ you can use it on children. And it says don't use it undiluted, which is why they've given us carrier oils and roller balls. And just for the record, and this goes back, always be sure and look it up if you have any questions, but this goes back to when I used to dilute my own oils. It generally, in one of the roller balls that they gave us, like this is usually 10 mLs, and in this, you only need to drop about 4 drops of this in here. I mean, it lasts forever. So you just dilute it with one of the carrier oils, never with water, with the carrier oil. Okay, our next oil for November is eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. It's so clearing, and I feel like I'm coming down with a cold. This is child safe over 10+. And just for the record, in tiny words under our 10+, it says 1% kids max topical dilution. So 1 drop per 100 drops of carrier oil. That tells you how little oil you need. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, it's very nice. Like I said, I feel like I have a cold coming on, so that eucalyptus is fantastic. All right. Next we have lime. And also the oils tell us like the plant parts. This is from fresh peels. The origin is Peru. Fresh and citrusy. Again, child safe 2+. And that's again with that 1% dilution. As a rule with kids, you always want a 1% dilution. Oh, wow. It smells like a fresh lime. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. I haven't messed with my essential oils in so long. I had forgotten how much I like them. And this one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is child safe 10+. So just always be sure and check your oils and follow the directions. Oh, it smells like Christmas. You know how you're starting to walk into stores now when they have their cinnamon brooms out and the whole front of the store smells lovely like cinnamon? That's what this smells like. Those were our 4 oils. And then they also sent us this, which gives us a little hint as to the recipes they're going to give us, because these are little stickers that we can put on whatever we make so that we'll know exactly what it is. And we have a muslin bag, and we have some powdered whole milk, and we have some dried lavender flower. So let's look at the recipe cards real quickly and see what we can make this month. So this is Tranquility and Lime Diffuser Blend. So we just put 3 drops of the Tranquility and 3 drops of the lime in our diffuser. By the way, when you use a diffuser, you do use water, not carrier oils. And you just put 3 drops of each of these and you diffuse it into an open room for an energizing, refreshing aroma. And it says if you like it a lot when you do it, just create a master blend. You just take one of your little 5 ml bottles and do 50 drops of each oil. That is excellent. Next we have, oh guys, how good does this sound? Chai tea bath salts. That sounds good. And we know that to make that, it tells us what we need to have on our own and what they've given us. And we need to have Epsom salts, oatmeal, which I almost always have, clove, and cinnamon. And then we use the almond oil, the cinnamon essential oil, and a tea bag. And I suspect that's what this is. So they've given us the things that are difficult to find, and we can make our own bath salts with that. We can make a lime eucalyptus roll-on. This is what I was talking about. To make the lime and eucalyptus roll-on oil, you just use 3 drops of the lime, 3 drops of the eucalyptus, and you fill the rest of that roll-on bottle with the coconut oil, with the fractionated coconut oil, and then you have the right dilution. And it says that it will help with energy, congestion relief, and an uplifting aroma. I'm going to be making that just here in a minute, I suspect. Then we have an oatmeal bath recipe to make, and that is what our powdered milk is for. And we just put in 2 teaspoons of baking soda, that oatmeal again, our eucalyptus oil, our cinnamon oil. Very cool. Ooh, eucalyptus shower steamers. Again, referring back to this cold I feel like I'm getting. You use baking soda, coconut oil, use the solid coconut oil this time. This is what you use our lavender that they sent us in, the lavender buds, some eucalyptus oil, lime oil, and you use an ice cube tray or similar mold. That is fun. So what I'm going to do with these is have my granddaughters help, and they're going to love it. We have another milk bath that we can make with our lavender buds, but each milk bath only takes 2 tablespoons of this, so we should be able to make both. Those are our 6 recipes for this month, and they give you what you need. Other than a few things that you probably have just around your house, they give you everything you need to make these awesome recipes that are healthy home products, healthy body products, and they're so much better for you than so much of what you buy out there. I just love the idea of, with my 4 grandchildren coming here all the time, of cleaning or having healthy body products, or there's just so many things you can do with essential oils. I make some of my cleaning products. I make room spritzers. I love to use my diffusers when I know they're coming instead of always burning candles. It's just healthier choices. And Simply Earth has put together recipe boxes monthly, which gives you a fun way to do that. I love it. I'm going to make these recipes and get my grandchildren involved because I think that they will really enjoy doing it too. And then I'll come back in a few days and let you guys know how well we did with our project. I will put my referral link and my code below. Be sure and use my code if you sign up, because then you'll get that $40 gift card, which is fantastic because it's basically like a free box. And then you can start playing with the essential oils too. It is so much fun, and I'm a huge fan of scent. I love scented things, and I love freshly scented things like the fresh lime. I mean, that smells so clean. How do you not want to smell that every day? It just smells so good. I love it. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. And I want to thank Simply Earth for sending me this for review. I love, love, love what I see so far. I'm going to make the products. We will see what we end up with, but I can't imagine they won't be fantastic. So again, thank you for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really soon. Have a great weekend, everybody.